it was lovely. It was a beautiful, going down memory lane.
It's a hell of a journey, and I'd forgotten, 45, 46 years is a hell of a long time with a lot of people being involved. I'd simply forgotten all the things that have happened on this journey. Amazing.
There's so many milestones of things we've done, and it's nice to have those memories resurrected, if you like, to remind yourself how amazing it was.
And Jaco, I'm sure for you, the technology changes must have been quite something.
Yeah, some of those equipment I don't even recognize.
From the typewriter to where we are today, it's such a journey in such a short period of time in the history of the planet. Can you imagine the next 40 years?
Think about all the transitionings that the business had to go through and the adoption of the technology. That's just amazing, and that's why we're still here today.
Yes,
because of those decisions.
Yes. It's amazing to see the people who've been with the company and how many people are still here. There's yourself and Russell here still with the business. I think testament to the culture of the company that people want. I mean, they really enjoy being here. That matters to me, actually.
I think the one common theme that comes through art is fun.
Yes.
It was always fun. So for 40 years,
Not all of it. But there have been many moments which have been fun.
The thing, to be honest, about the decades is every one of those decades was special because it built on the next one, right?
Yes.
And that's still going to be going forward from now.
As you said, one decade built on another one, and hopefully the next 10 years will build on everything else that came before it. And like you say, Phil, hopefully we can have as much fun as everyone had before then, and do it justice.
I'd like SYSPRO to really thrive and for everybody just to carry on having fun and enjoying themselves and the company to grow.
I hope the people who also carry on with the business is that they also record some of these events, and we can have an exhibition in 10 years' time and look back and say, remember.